Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. So with the previous video we have finished our block, but seeming that it's such a nice sunny day outside, I actually would like to see if I can work a bit on our Audi itself. So let's go have some fun to today's video.
I can fly.
So this is what we have, and you can see that it is dirty. It is full of old oil and old stuff all around right here as well. You can see it is just a mess. So I would like to see what I can do, or how I'm gonna do it, just to tidy up our engine bay, as it is dear mekaar and dirty, and I just think that we can make this much more neater and tidier. So let's go ahead and clean the engine bay first. We have most of the things cleaned up. It is quite much big of a difference that we made. So I want to start by actually installing more of this heat reflective tape. So I'm going to start by the top section. I'll need to remove my fuel pressure regulator, and then also all of these old wire holders that's here that we're not using. So I want to clear that up as well, remove that. So let's start with this section. Get everything that's there, get it removed, and then also cut out what needs to be cut out, flatten it what needs to be flattened, so that we can actually start to put on our reflective tape. Now I have to say the reflective tape does make a difference, so that the panels, the physical panels, doesn't get that much heat, as this gold reflective tape actually protects most of the heat coming through, not to actually damage your panels, hence why we are using it. And then not only that, I also like what it looks like, especially with the theme that we've got running as well. So it just really makes things pop as well. So we're not only doing it for the cosmetics, but actually for the physical work that it's doing as well. have finished our engine bay, well, most of it. There's actually much more that I wanted to do, but I realized that I can only do it as soon as the engine is actually fit. I know this might be a really short video. I don't want to take you inside of the garage yet, due to that we are actually busy with the engine to assemble it. So unfortunately I'm not going to show you any furthermore, but just know that we are busy with the next video that will be launched not too long after this one, so that we can get our engine finished and then installed in the engine bay as well, and then taking the next steps. So thank you guys for watching. Must have a lovely day further, and God bless. Ciao.